you probably found out how the ghost tag works. If not, we have one here. Okay. There you have it, the ghost tag. This little old fella, actually it's nobody. It can be anybody. It can be your uncle, your granddad, or your brother, or whatever. Just so you can create your own story. This is the ghost tag, and it comes preset, which means that it's instant resettable. So make sure that you don't press down too hard, as it would permanently lock the key tag. So you have to unlock it again, which means you have to open the lid to reset, but we go into those details a little bit later. The basic workings are these. Also, a couple of magnets come with the DVD package. Some flat magnets, round magnets, some discs, and some little rectangles here. Okay, and everything is made inside. It also comes with a basic text on the back. Perhaps you will be as lucky as me with your chosen card. You can of course change the text. Just print any text you want, trim it down, and just place it on the bottom of the key tag. Basic working. Take the magnet. It will fit in here. And this is what happens. You're going to slide the magnet up. And if you do so, you see that actually the whole jacket will lift up to reveal the face-down card in the breast pocket. Now, before we came to this method, it actually came a long way. It actually took 6 months in concept and design, because the first method I had didn't work. Actually, it wasn't that practical. It wasn't instant resettable. And finally, talking about with my friends Hank Prince and Christian Cheng from CardShark, we came with a solution that we think is really awesome. I mean, this is so clever, and the picture also has a built-in misdirection, which is the playing card itself. Okay, now we come back on that again a little bit later on psychological part of this. But basically what happens is this: you keep it in this position, finger, thumb, and you're gonna push down the magnet in order to reveal the card. And of course this happens with cover with your hand or with the playing card, or you can have a spectator touch the photo and see make contact through my granddad. You feel his energy?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay. And then you do the revelation on the cover of the fingers of the spectator. So you can use that as well. It depends on your presentation style. Just feel and do whatever you need. The way how this is made is that, of course, in this stadium of the trick, there is a little discrepancy as for the depth, okay? So on this point, and don't worry about this, because your spectators don't know what to expect, and they don't know where to look at and where to look for. And that's pretty clever, because the photo has a built-in misdirection, as I said before, and that's the playing card. All the focus will be drawn to the playing card, because that's the only spot in the photo that actually changes, so it automatically distracts from everything else. Okay, so the focus on the playing card, and of course in this stadium of the trick you want to keep the photo straight up like this, the key tag, and keep it a little distance, and say that this is your granddad or your uncle and this is his lucky card. So automatically, boom, all the attention will go to that playing card. Okay, we even, because it exists out of two layers, we'll look into that a little bit more later, but we actually curled the top layer so actually it touches the bottom picture, so it really increases the edges over here. Okay, so, and again, now you know what to look for, but your spectators don't have any clue, and again all the attention goes to the playing card. This is the position you're going to work in. Later on with the keys, you're going to grab the keys in your fingers. We'll do that a little bit later, but the basic workings are actually these for the ghost tag. It's a built-in mechanism that actually will last a lifetime, and it happens all inside the key tag, which is stunning. I mean, just having, it's not only a card revelation, but it's also an impossible change on a picture, which is sealed inside a key tag, and they can feel and they can do whatever they want, and they will find nothing, and that makes it truly impossible. Just chain this up on your keys, and you're ready to go and perform a stunning card revelation anytime, at any place. Just force that card and perform an amazing card revelation. Gold Ghost Tag.